Hey, Himanshu Bisht here from withhimanshu.com. In this video, you will be discovering how to find quality customers for your freelancing business or your online business. If you have an agency, if you are a freelancer, if you are just starting up with an idea and you want to turn it into a really quality service or a product, this video is going to be really helpful for you. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, why I am recording this video? Let me tell you one thing. I saw some of the videos and I realized everybody is talking about creating your Facebook advertisement or doing your social media uh, or all that other stuff, right? But in the core of it, people are really missing one important thing, and that thing is if people do not know you, if people do not trust upon you, they will not simply buy from you. Trust is your invisible transaction. Now, let me tell you, this is one of the most powerful thing you can actually learn today. Before the transaction happens, that means before people actually pay you the money, actually they give you the trust. That means they believe that whatever you are telling them is making sense and whatever you are offering them is actually helping them, or it is going to help them. Now, this is something which people ignore. Because when see I was a freelancer. I started my journey as a freelancer and I realized one of the biggest challenge which I faced was to find out quality customers. I worked with so many people, but at the end of the day I was so exhausted. I was exhausted. I had no idea how to find out good customers, good clients for my business. I wanted to work with customers who really value my time, who really value what I am offering. But most of the customers I work with didn't really care about my time, my work, right? And this is what happens when you work with people who are paying you little money. That means people who are not really, this is what I call uh, low quality customers. Okay, and if you want to improve your lifestyle while building your freelancing business, if you want to become a digital nomad by building your freelancing business, you have to focus upon quality customers. Okay, and this is what you will be discovering in this video. So first thing is this, okay, that if people do not know you, if people don't trust upon you, they will not simply buy from you, right? So trust is your invisible transaction. So if you are someone who is just becoming another me too person, that means you are shouting loud and saying my prices are cheaper or my quality, or I am, if everybody is doing SEO, I also do SEO. I do the same thing. Now, this is what happens when you do this. You will see that people who are approaching you are comparing you with thousands of other people. And that means you have even little chance to get the lead. That means, let's say you are in an industry where there are thousands other people, okay, and you will only uh, taking the fraction of that part, right? So you have to understand that if you are the best one, okay, then you will compete with so many people. But if you can be unique, okay, if you can do something which is very unique, then you will see that you are the only one you are in your industry, right? And this is how this is the first rule. So pull out your diaries, pull out your pen, because I will be diving deeper into this strategy, how to become only one in your industry instead of just becoming the best one, right? Is that good? And most importantly, if you are liking this effort, I'm giving all these things upfront so that you can get value, so that you can grow in your business. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up or love, depending on which platform you are watching this video. Okay. Now, first thing is, if you want to build the trust, you have to give value, right? Value addition is one of the most important thing in business. Now, giving value needs a platform, okay? And platforms, and when I say platform, I want you to focus upon this. Think about what are different ways people are consuming content. Are they watching videos? Are they uh, are they enjoying images? Are they reading text? Are they listening to voice? That means, are they listening podcast? So right now, these four things are the major content distribution technologies, right? You can either create videos or you can create text. That means you can create a blog post or you can create a social media profile, and you can also create images or you can create podcast. Now, I have seen this common pattern in digital trends. I can see that more and more video and audio contents are becoming popular. That means if you are not on YouTube, think how can you be on YouTube? If you are not leveraging the power of voice, think about how you can do that, right? So that you can grow with the trend. Uh, you can compete with the people in your industry, right? And this will give you the extra edge over your competitors. Now, second thing is, whenever you are creating content, you have to understand what kind of buyer you are dealing with. Now, someone who has a back pain and who doesn't have any idea that how to remove a back pain, how to avoid back pain, and the person who is already well aware of yoga, that means who is well aware of uh, how to remove back pain through yoga. These two customers are at a different level of their journey, right? They are different phase of their buyer's journey. I have created an amazing video on in a very detail about buyer's journey. So make sure to check out my description if you want to get more into it. This will really help you to understand how to talk to what kind of customers you are dealing with, right? So depending on that, you have to create that content. Okay, and whenever you are doing that, you have to understand that you have to focus upon giving value. Of course, not all the people will connect with you, only serious people will connect with you, but I always prefer serious people. I cannot work with people who are just there to watch another video, or who are just interested in into getting free things, right? So you have to work with people who are in quality. Okay, so this is how you find the people who value the quality. You first give them value, and then you generate this trust. That means you are building this relationship with them, and only then you are actually offering your premium services depending on whatever you are offering them. If you have a photography freelancing business, or let's say you have a graphic designing business, or you have a digital marketing business, or social media marketing agency you are building, depending on which kind of freelancer you are, the strategy is going to be remaining the same. First, you have to understand how can I really build this trust with them. That means this is how you differentiate yourself from the market, where everybody will be playing in on prices. You will be actually dealing with the relationship, and while doing that, you have to understand that you are actually uh, you are actually helping those people to get the results, right? This is what we marketers do. This is what we as an entrepreneur, this is our job, right? We want to help people achieve what they want to get. So this is all I want you to focus upon right now. Let me know in the comment box what is your struggle, what you are dealing with, okay, while you are building your freelancing business. And second thing is, I'm organizing a webinar in where you will be discovering how to use video platforms, specifically how to use your knowledge to get quality customers and building a business you can run from anywhere in the world. That means if you do not have a business right now, and if you just have this idea in your mind, you will understand that how to start a really successful online business while building your online courses. So it's an amazing program. Check out my description, register for it, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. If you are liking this video and if you want to learn more from me, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe, press the bell icon. See you. Bye bye.